Constitution of Kenya 2010, Article 181(1) provides for the removal of a county governor from office on grounds of gross violation of the Constitution or any other law, abuse of office or gross misconduct, or if there are reasonable grounds to believe that the county governor has committed a crime under national or international law. And whereas Section 33 of the County Governments Act 2012 further elaborates the procedure and grounds for the removal of a county governor, aware that the standing orders of the County Assembly of Nyamira and the standing orders of the Senate provide the procedural framework for such a motion, cognizant of the fact that all state officers are required to act within and in accordance with the Constitution and laws, exercise authority and perform public functions with respect and honor, be accountable to the public for their decisions and actions, and use public funds in accordance with the Constitution and the law. Noting with grave concern that His Excellency Amos Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County, has not just strayed, but has galloped outside the confines of the Constitution, brazenly circumvented the laws, grossly violated the Constitution, failed to guard public funds, and deliberately executed corrupt practices in management of county affairs, leading to massive loss of public funds, Mr. Speaker. Now, therefore, I, the undersigned member of the County Assembly of Nyamira, move the motion for the removal of His Excellency Amos Nyaribo from office of County Governor, Nyamira County, by way of impeachment. Honorable Speaker, I now proceed to state the grounds for impeachment and, or specific particulars, a narrative of betrayal and the constitutional delinquents, Mr. Speaker. Grounds for impeachment. The grounds below paint a pattern of blatant constitutional disregard and fiscal impropriety by Honorable Amos Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County. Ground 1, gross violation of the Constitution and other laws. Particular 1.1, gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and the County Governments Act 2012 through deliberate formal engagement, endorsement and support of an unlawful, illegal, unconstitutional bunge machinani. Whereas Article 1, 10 and 73 of the Constitution 2010 enshrine the principles of sovereignty of the people, the rule of law, and the responsibilities of state officers. Whereas Article 176(1) of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 unequivocally establishes the county assembly for each county, and Section 7B2 and 14(1)(a) of the County Governments Act 2012 govern the lawful sittings and procedure of the County Assembly, whereas Section 6A(1) and the third schedule of the County Governments Act 2012 specifies the location of the Nyamira County Government as the Nyamira urban area, whereas Section 7B2 of the County Governments Act 2012 provides that, except for a sitting of a new county assembly under Section 1, a sitting of a county assembly may be held at any place within the county and may commence at any time as the county assembly may appoint. Whereas Section 32A of the County Governments Act 2012 requires the government to diligently execute the functions and exercise the authority provided for in the Constitution and the legislation, whereas Section 33C of the County Governments Act 2012 requires the governor to promote democracy and good governance, unity, cohesion within the county. His Excellency Amos Nyaribo deliberately engaged, endorsed and supported an unlawful, illegal and unconstitutional bunge machinani, gazetted by Enoko Gori by the Kenya Gazette Notice number 14229 of 2024, dated the 29th of October 2024. And the appointment of an acting clerk by the Kenya Gazette Notice number 14230 of 2024. There is Annex 1.1/1, despite the knowledge that the facts, despite knowledge of the fact that the said Enoch Okero had been removed from office of Speaker by way of impeachment, as is published in the Kenya Gazette Notice of Notice number 14050 of 2024, dated 25th October 2024, as seen in Annex CAN 11/2, Mr. Speaker.